Hey guys, good morning. So I was just going to show you what our job is today. My brother's here with me today, and we're going to paint this. Going along up here, and then the front. So this is where we're going to be today. This is one of our jobs. Alright, so we're almost done with the front part. We did this whole section. And now I'm working on the windows and the trim on that side. I'm up to that point right there where the ladder is. My dad's actually here. He's working over here. How's it going, Dad? Yeah. He's working on this side. We're gonna continue going all the way around the house. And we found out this is a mulberry tree. It's not quite ready. What do you think, another week, Dad? Maybe a couple weeks? And they're really green right now. Huh? Like blackberries? Okay. So, in a couple weeks, this will be full of blackberries that you can eat. Hey guys, so welcome to my life for the next few months. Today we're on gutter patrol. We're gonna clean all these. Going all the way there, and then, oh, there's a little chipmunk. So each gutter is different. These gutters actually have this little foam, meshy stuff in here. And we're just getting this top layer off as much as we can. And then we're gonna go back. I got my little shop vac vacuum and vacuum the rest out of there. And then it's continuing down. Alright, hey guys, so this is another one of my projects for today. I am power washing the deck and some of the walls. I power washed over there yesterday, and I'm just continue on this way until it's done to see what I can get done today. So that's my fun for today. Hopefully you guys are doing all right. I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, what's up? So today, last time I was here, I was doing the porch, power washing. This time I'm doing the driveway. I just finished doing this. Then eventually I'll go on this way and all of that. And then in the back. And then the walls, and then so on. So this is for today, and then I'll go on to the next job. Alright, hey guys, so this is what our project is for today. We dug out all the grass. We're just extending the patio. And then next, we gotta get the, of course, the materials and put that in. And then we're gonna power wash the fence and then paint it. Hey guys, how's it going? I apologize about my voice. I lost it. I had a little case of strep throat, but I'm feeling a little bit better. I am dog sitting or pet sitting. There's also a cat in here, which I probably won't see her much. She kind of hides. But you guys can meet Molly. Molly, come here. She's a very, very sweet dog. She actually just had surgery on her leg. She tore her ACL, kind of like me a few years ago. So I'm just kind of hanging out with her, making sure she doesn't, you know, run or jump. She just had her surgery, I think, a week or two ago. I'm gonna take one little last walk with her just around, and yeah, and then it's supper time for her, and then supper time for me soon. Anyway, that's kind of what I'm doing for today, it kind of worked out well because the last few days I've been, working and, with strep throat. Have you guys ever had strep throat before? It's not very fun. It's kind of hard to swallow and just, you don't feel very well. So it's kind of giving me a chance to kind of relax tonight, hang out, maybe watch some Netflix movies with my date. So this is kind of what I'm doing. This is kind of a shorter video, and this is just kind of the stuff that I'll be doing now that I'm home for the next couple or few months. Hopefully not any longer than 3 months, but it all just depends what goes on. But I'm really excited to get back to traveling again. Sorry if you guys can even understand me. My voice is totally gone. But anyway, yeah, so I definitely do miss traveling, but at the same time I do like being home. But yeah, I guess that's about it. Hopefully everyone is doing well, and I just called today. My passport didn't come in yet, and they said it can take up to 11 weeks, and of course that's not until they get it and process it. It's not when you send it, so they might not get it until like a week or two later after you send it. So hopefully I'll be getting that in the next month, hopefully, and then soon after that I'll start looking at tickets, and then go from there. So I'm really excited to get back to traveling again. But I'm also really enjoying being home. But anyway, guys, hopefully everyone's doing well. Everything's pretty good here. The weather is really, really strange, today, right now, it's probably like 65, and then tomorrow it's supposed to be like 85. So that's a big difference, a big jump. And then the day after that, it's gonna be like 90s. That's almost like, Philippine weather. So, but it's not even really summer yet. Like, July, August, those are the hot months, and that gets actually warmer than the Philippines, or like, countries like that are known for their heat. So Michigan's not really known for their heat, but in the summertime it actually does get really warm. And it's funny because by the time the lake, like if you go in there now, the water is still kind of cold, and the water doesn't really heat up until like September. And by that time it's already like September can be pretty hot too, up to 90s, but October, that's when it starts to get cold again. So by the time the water heats up, that's like the time it's fall, the summer's over. So that doesn't stop anyone from swimming. When you go to the beach in the summertime, even the water's freezing, everyone's in the water. So this is it, guys. I guess I'll see you guys next video, and then very, very soon I'm gonna start traveling, and I'm really, really excited about that. So who do you guys got? You guys can leave in the comments who's gonna win, the Warriors or Boston. If you guys haven't watched them, that's okay, but I like to see what you guys think. I'm still probably, I really don't know. I thought for sure Warriors were gonna win, but now it's looking like Boston maybe, but who knows. But you guys take care. I guess this is gonna be my night. I'm gonna go make some food, and I'll see you guys later.